Have you ever wanted a smarter way to manage your favorite TV shows? Let's dive into how Sonarr automates the entire process from tracking new episodes to managing your library. Sonarr is a powerful personal video recorder, PVR, designed for Usenet and BitTorrent users. It automates the process of finding, downloading, and managing TV shows. Sonarr tracks your favorite TV shows and detects new episodes as they become available. You can define the quality of the TV shows you prefer, ensuring only high-quality content is downloaded. For example, if you're passionate about anime and want to collect files manually while using Sonarr for renaming and organizing, it can accommodate this preference, showing its flexibility. Beyond tracking new episodes as they air, Sonarr actively searches through RSS feeds to ensure you get every episode of your favorite shows without manual intervention. Sonarr's capabilities extend beyond just TV shows. It can manage a wide range of video content, making it an indispensable tool for media enthusiasts and collectors alike. In summary, Sonarr is not just a download manager, it's a comprehensive solution that integrates seamlessly into your workflow, ensuring you never miss an episode of your favorite shows. So there you have it. Sonarr streamlines the entire process of TV show management. What's your favorite feature about using Sonarr? Let me know in the comments below.